Hey there, everybody. I hope you all are doing great. This is the lecture number 2 of the hyperbolic functions. In the previous video, we had discussed so many questions related to hyperbolic function and they can be categorized as type 1. In this video, we're gonna solve different type of provings. Let's start with the first question, which is if u is log base e tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2, then prove that tan hyperbolic u by 2 is equal to tan theta by 2. So what we are doing here is we are given with the statement. First we're going to write given statement. What is given here? U equal log as we know that this log can be shifted to the LHS side. If we're gonna shift this, what will the result? This is basically when log is shifted to another side, this log is no more log. It changed to e. So we are gonna write here e to the power u log is removed. So tan pi upon 4 plus theta by 2. Okay, so as you can see that this is nothing but tan a plus b formula, and we know what is the formula of tan a plus b. So you can write it here. Tan a plus b is basically tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Alright, this is termed as A, this is termed as B. Now put accordingly tan pi upon 4 plus tan theta upon 2 1 minus tan pi upon 4 tan theta by 2. What is it? This is 1, this is tan theta by 2. Again this is 1 minus tan theta by 2. Now we will going to apply componendo and dividendo. If you are new to this topic, go and watch my previous video. I have explained it very detailed. In a very detailed manner, I have cleared each and every point that we're going to use in this componendo and dividendo. So here applying componendo, I am writing in a short, and dividendo. Alright, so e to the power u plus 1 upon e to the power u minus 1 equal to 1 plus tan theta by 2 plus 1 minus tan theta by 2 whole upon 1 plus tan theta by 2 minus 1 minus plus tan theta by 2. From here this has been cancelled and from here this has been cancelled. Okay. Now e to the power u plus 1 by e to the power u minus 1. Here we are left with 2 and in this case we are left with tan theta upon 2. Now this 1 upon tan theta by 2 is looking awkward. So we're going to reciprocal it. So when we reciprocal this side will automatically get reciprocal. So it is nothing but basically e to the power u minus 1 upon u to the power u plus 1 is equal to tan theta by 2. Now in your mind questions may come like, had it been 1 by tan theta by 2, it would have been like cot theta by 2. But what's the need of reciprocaling it? So the need is, in the question we have to prove that tan theta by 2 is equal to tan hyperbolic u by 2. So there is no need of cot theta by 2. Okay, so that's why we are not changing in the cot form. Alright, so now we can take e to the power u by 2 common. Then e to the power u by 2 minus, you can also say that we are dividing through e to the power u by 2. So uh, e to the power u by 2 minus 1 by e to the power u by 2, 1 by e to the power u by 2 upon e to the power u by 2 plus e to the power 1 by e to the power u by 2, and here also we are taken this as a common. Now tan theta by 2. Is it the formula of tan hyperbolic u by 2? What we have to prove here? Tan hyperbolic u by 2, and we know that this will only come when this becomes e to the power minus u by 2. So we will going to inverse this. What we will get? Here I am solving e to the power, this will get cancelled, no, yahan e to the power u by 2 minus e to the power minus u by 2 by e to the power u by 2 plus e to the power minus u by 2 is equal to tan theta by 2, and we know that this is equal to tan hyperbolic u by 2, which is tan theta by 2. So this is the proof of your first question. Okay, steps. I think this is clear. Let's move on to the next question. Alright, so here we are given with sine theta plus I phi equal tan x plus Iy. This is given in the question. You have to show that tan theta upon tan hyperbolic phi is equal to sine 2x upon sine hyperbolic 2y. Now, what we are given with? Sine theta plus I phi is equal to tan x plus Iy. Here we have to take the conjugate. Do you know the term? Do you know this term, conjugate? What does this mean? This means taking the opposite sign. If it is in plus sign, you will going to take the conjugate, which will be negative. Okay, so here it is in the plus sign. If we take the conjugate, taking conjugate, okay, what we will get? Sine theta minus I phi equal to tan x minus Iy. Okay, now we have to divide both of these. If we divide both of this, we will get sin theta plus I phi upon sine theta minus I phi is equal to tan x plus Iy by tan x minus Iy. ओके, यहाँ तक कोई डाउट नहीं होनी चाहिए. नाउ अगेन वी विल अप्लाई componendo and dividendo in this question. Applying componendo and dividendo. So what we will get? Sine theta plus I phi upon sine theta minus I phi plus in the numerator we will add both of these, and denominator we will going to subtract both of these. Okay, same whatever we are doing in the LHS side, we have to do the same in the RHS side too. Okay, if you are not well aware of this topic, componendo and dividendo, I'm gonna put the link in the description box. You can watch my previous video where I have given the full explanation of this componendo dividendo. By the way, let me tell you, this is topic of class 10. If you don't know, then this is a really shame that at this point of time of BSc, if you are doing a BSc or maths, any subject you are taking higher study of this, you should know what is componendo dividendo. Don't take it otherwise. Many people don't know very silly things. I also don't know various kinds of things which are need to know by a BSc student. So but okay, let's move on to the topic. So tan x plus Iy upon tan x plus Iy plus tan x minus Iy minus tan x minus iy. So in the LHS side we can write 2 sine theta cos I phi. So this is basically the formula, okay, upon 2 cos theta sine I phi. This is, both of these are the formula of class 10 trigonometric ratios or functions. So tan, so this can be written as sine upon cos. So why we are converting into sine upon cos? Because in the questions we have to bring this sine 2x and sine hyperbolic 2y. Okay, so here it is clearly visible. This can be termed, this can be written as tan, but these cannot be written as sine. Only when we will convert this as sine and cos. Okay, now it's a kind of a mess. Okay, now I'm gonna take the LCM of this cos x plus iy cos x minus iy. This will be sin x plus iy cos x minus iy minus sin x minus iy cos x plus iy. What I am doing here, I am only taking the LCM. Okay, this is a very बच्चा वाला method. Okay, यहाँ पे जहाँ नहीं समझ आए वहाँ आपको बोलना चाहिए, ठीक है. अभी इसमें तो आप बोल नहीं पाओगे, लेकिन ये बहुत ही सिंपल है. देखो क्या किया मैंने, LCM ही तो लिया है, ठीक है. LCM cos x प्लस आई वाई है, इसलिए इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई किए. इसमें माइनस है तो इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई किए. सिमिलरली हम लोग नीचे वही करेंगे. ये है तो इससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा, और ये है ना हमारे पास माइनस के टर्म, तो हमें इससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है. थोड़ा सा यहाँ हैफजेड हो गया है, सॉरी फॉर द अनकन्वीनियंस. ऑलराइट, बोथ द डिनोमिनेटर टर्म विल बी गेट कैंसल्ड. Basically this is plus, this is minus. Now this is nothing but the formula of sine a plus b. So it is sine x plus iy. In place of a, in place of b, it is sine x minus iy upon sine x plus iy minus x minus iy. Okay, and here in the LHS side तो हम लोग भूल ही गए थे, this will get cancelled. And then sin theta cos theta is nothing but tan theta, and this is tan phi, tan hyperbolic phi. ये sin नीचे है ना, sin cos cot हो जाएगा, तो cot ऊपर होने से अच्छा नीचे हम लोग tan hyperbolic phi कर देते हैं, ठीक है. तो ये tan theta अपॉन tan hyperbolic phi. अब हमें इसको क्या लाना है, ऊपर sin 2x लाना है. तो sin 2x कैसे आएगा, आप देख सकते हो. अगर मैं ब्रैकेट, इफ आई ओपन द ब्रैकेट द नेगेटिव पार्ट विल गेट कैंसल्ड, और इधर का ब्रैकेट ओपन करोगी तो क्या करेंगे, पॉजिटिव पार्ट कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो क्या बचेगा, sin 2x और sin आई वाई क्या होता है, sin आई वाई होता है sin हाइपरबोलिक, sin आई 2y होगा नीचे, ठीक है. देखिए ध्यान से, आई वाई माइनस माइनस प्लस आई वाई, तो 2 होगा. तो क्या हो जाएगा फॉर्मूला, साइन ऊपर बच जाएगा 2x एंड नीचे साइन हाइपरबोलिक 2y. यही हमें प्रूव करना था. All right. So I'm not making this video very lengthy. वैसे प्लान तो आज बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन करने का था, बट आई विल be posting this third part very soon. Okay, you see this question, it is very important question. This has been asked in the previous year of Kulhan University. Make sure you do this question again and again. Practice this very important question. Okay, we're gonna meet surely very soon in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.